So, this is live. To be honest, I've never done this live before. Or I don't really do live because I'm always alive. But give thanks. Alright. But I've been asked a lot of times why is it that people don't see me, or they don't see me do live or them kind of stuff. I tend to do a lot of stuff. Hello Tamian. Hi, how you do? I'm basically just doing a live for the first time. This is my first time doing a live on YouTube. I don't really do a lot of, I don't do live, to be honest, but I'm trying to make a conscious effort because a lot of persons have been asking, where am I? What have I been doing? To be honest, I'll show you where I am. This is where I spend most of my days. I am in Portland. This is Portland. There. All right. And I have a restaurant by the roadside. So I'm going to introduce you to, the next side of me, which is, the entrepreneurial side, which a lot of people don't know. All right. So this is the main road. Not much to see at the moment because the road them are fixed. And this is my restaurant. Well, a cook shop you can call it. Alright. It's a work in progress. So I'm still a work on it. Still a work on it. Hold on there. As I go. How you go? I try to switch it on here. Oh, alright. Yeah, so it's still a work in progress. But this is where I am for most days. I like to sit and watch. Alright, Tommy. Yeah. But this is my favorite place. This is my favorite spot. I love this place so much. This is Portland. This is Portland. It's actually where I am from originally. Alright. And my school. It's me have a dog I walk up and down. Oi! Go your yard. Go your yard, yo. Yeah, so this is where we are most of the times. Alright, today, as I say, I'm just trying to set up, trying to give people a little bit of feeling of where I am. I spend most of my days here. So if I'm not by the sea, I look out at sea, and I serve food and all them something there. Then all of this is where I am. So if you look out here, so now you see Happy Grove High School. This is the school that I actually went to. So right here, so I set up a car wash at the same time. Not finished yet. Right? So it's not finished yet, but the car wash I go right here, so that's the shop from that side. And if you look up here, so all of them pitney they go at Happy Grove High School. Evening time school not really over yet fully. But anytime it over, a madness. Madness. Cause them come down here in them thousands. In my shop full. Can't even get a space in it. You know, but this is where I am. Am I going to be doing more shows? I'm always doing shows. But bearing in mind that we just come out of a lockdown and COVID, and you know that theater get a big setback just the same like the rest of the entertainment industry. So it's mainly television now, movies and all them something. But I hope I'll do more of this, you know, and I'll show you around Portland just the same, because I love the adventure, I love walk up and down, I love drive up and down, I love go beach and all them something there. And I'm surrounded by water, river, all of them something there. So one of these days when, you know, I'm not too busy or in my day-to-day recreation, I go carry on and go show no what I go on, you know. Enough respect, Myrna, of course. I'm always available. No watch no face, trust me. You know, Portland, love Portland, St. Thomas. So I'm right on the border of Portland and St. Thomas. You know, we are family. So, you know, anytime at all. When I come Jamaica, when I want to come this side, let me know. You know, I'll show you some of my spots. And I'll try and do a couple of lives so you can actually see a couple places that, you know, I normally visit, you know, just to keep my mind and keep myself occupied. Most of you may or may not know that I've resided in London for a long time. I know Anthony. Anthony, and listen, big up yourself. Of course, I know more places are necessary. You know, because laughing is a must, you know, we can't stop laugh. You know, especially with everything we are going on now. So, people need to laugh and skin their teeth. Trust me. You know, but because of everything we have, the corona and all of that, so, you know, we have had to take, you know, a break from everything. I took a long break because I've been in Jamaica for since what? 2014, you know. So as I said, you may or may not know that I used to reside in London, between England and the Netherlands, and now, you know, I'm back in Jamaica, and I love it. I love the fresh breeze, I love the fresh air, you know. The one with FedEx bad. Yeah, man, give thanks. Of course, that's Dirty Money. Yeah, that's my production, written by myself, produced by my own company, Yardy Boy Entertainment. So there's a lot more work to be done, of course. So as soon as everything is opened up and, you know, we can see what's happening, then, you know, I'll certainly be doing more, please. All right, this is, I'll show you the inside of my place. This is, we're going to open up because I think, what time is it now? It's about 2 o'clock now. And 2 o'clock are when everybody start, when all of the schoolers then start come down, you know. Crumbs, bless up yourself, Paul. You know. With their yard, you know, with their Jamaica. Yeah. This is what it looks like when everything open. And my place, if you look on the top, you might can't see my name all up on the top there too. You see me I say? So I'm very honored to have served the most of you and to have made you laugh. And of course, we never stop. All right? And I hope that you'll join me again, when I come on here again, just to say hi. And maybe next time I'll show you a little bit more. All right? We need Brings on the live. Brings. That's a good idea, I'll try that. That's a very good idea. I'll try and see if I can get him Paxton from Scotland. Away in a Portland. Paxton, see a flat grass with the door. Yeah man, right, a flat grass. I'll stand over on the side there, of course. You see me I say? Yeah. So yeah, please put links in the description for your other entertainment. I will. The last thing I worked on was a project I actually did around the area with a couple of the youths them from the area. And show my support never purchased there yet. Okay, no problem, man. It was a project I did, a couple of the youths them come here try. Everybody them always say, boy, put in a something, no? Put in a something, we want go in an entertainment, we want act, and everybody, Jamaicans, every Jamaican can act. So I put together a show which was called East Siders. Fidel, why pray? Bless up yourself, Fidel. You don't know a thing already. We're there, man. So that was what I did. That was about a year ago, last year. I did some other things. I did one thing for Crime Stop, wrote and produced that. I'm currently working on a couple other stuff, but I don't want to dish them out yet. But as soon as them come out, of course, me make know what I want. But I do a lot of stuff. See, through them I fix the road. I know if you come to Portland, Oh gosh, I know if you come to Portland. Well, not now. But I watch the poor T, Passa, and Perfect Black Man all the time. Proud of you, my brother. Bless up yourself in the crumbs. Yeah, man, give thanks, man. It is a joy, and I've done my best, and believe the rest up to me some people then cuss me some of the time, then cuss all the show, then they say show them one year rubbish, the one year crap. But for me, it's a joy just the same, because even when you don't cuss them, you still know so now watching. So I'm even more joyful. If nobody now cuss me, still me not feel good too. So I want to have my critic and I want to have my supporters. So, me give thanks just the same. And that's why I say I do this, because I don't do live. In all honesty, I don't. I just go up, I post videos. If you check Facebook, because I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I will do, like small videos and such for, but I don't do live, Yeah. But I will try my best to do, I'll do some more, and of course, as I say, I don't want to do it as in, okay, this is about show or this or that. I want it to be more about how I go around, how life is for me, Because at the end of the day, I'm still a person. I'm still a people. And I do stuff just like anybody else. And my things are normally around nature. Cause I love walk up and down below. Because I spend so much time at England, now I just want to get down to nature. I enjoy a little bit of the naturality. So, as I say, I'm in Portland, and Portland, of course, has been getting, some nice renovation, especially where the roads are concerned. So, I thank you all for tuning in, and I will do it again. All right? Have a wonderful day, and bless upon yourself. All right? Take care. How you stop it? I don't even know how you stop it. Where you go to stop it? Stop. It stop. Stop. Oh.